color, black and the gold one or whatever, how is it? But this one is one of the favorite of my customers that really hits a lot. Ready, people? Yeah. First of all, when you before you get started, make sure you have to measure yourself. And I measure myself already, and my length from the shoulder to the abdomen is 44 centimeter, and as well as the back, the centimeter is length is 44 centimeter. And again, because the top will go like this, will go, and then I will tie it here. And for tying part, then is 70 centimeter. So I already measured myself. Make sure to use your measurement all the time. Right now it's a length. I'm measuring the length from my shoulder to the abdomen. It's 44 centimeter. And here is my 44 centimeter. Then let me keep it and mark it 44 centimeter from the leg to this is the shoulder. And let me go to the bust. It's 37 inch size. 37 size here at the big numbers. You're not the centimeter, but the size. And first of all, this is the whole measurement of my size, like this, 37. And then I have to fold it. I fold it once and two. This is the half of my front. And I'm starting now, right now, with the front. Yes. So this is half of my front. What is it? Then I mark. Okay. Can you see my marks? Shoulder, the abdomen, and my bust. Okay. The most important again is that you don't have, because I will make this crop top with the collar on it, and you don't have first to make the collar. First make the whole top and then you stitch it together. Then you will find the centimeters of the length of your collar. How will be the length of your collar? You will find it after you put together the pattern. Yeah. As I told you that I will tie the top. The top will be tied in this style, or this style of tying it like that. And then now I'm measuring this part like this, okay, from the shoulder there to, and what I found is 70 centimeters. 70 centimeters is here. It's there. Then I'll be marking. That's my 70 centimeter. Okay. I'm now joining the dots together so it can become a pattern. And then I'm joining it. This is that 70, if you can remember the 70 horse. That's it. So me to reach to this line, I have first to put my ruler from the ankle to this line so it can be straight to each other. Then I have to put my ruler like that. Then I continue with my weight like this. And then leaning together. And so from here, I don't think if I'm going to use that. You do not have that to be just like this. I will not use that because from here is where that will be, but I don't want to use that. Okay. And this is the front. Let me just front. That's my front. me just measure it to see if yes. I'm just checking if it's the right thing that I want. Yes, it will give me exactly what I want, what I'm looking for. This is the tying part. Look there. I know it will be very successful. I'm really sure, 100% sure. This is my bag. This is my bag. Don't worry about this. This is something that I was doing. Remember the day I was making a bonnet, a satin bonnet? It was the day for that. And this is the bag. Let me just confirm it. That this is the bag side. The bag side of the top. Bag. That's the bag. Okay. And I'm 100% sure that this is how it's gonna be fine. And the arm. We are going. This is why to cut the sleeve. So you just make it like this. You put your pattern that you just made, because they have to balance, and the size of your sleeve when you are going to seam on your sleeve, have to be to balance together with the whole of the armpit, and then we put it like this. You see, it's not that hard. You just put it like that. This is the whole of my armpit. Then I just draw it. Okay. Make sure you leave some extra. So it will not be like then you measure the length of your sleeve. How your sleeve will be. For mine, I want it to be like a little bit short. Like a bit short. Come. So there you go. This is my sleeve. You see? How is it? That's my sleeve. Yeah. I'm placing my pattern on the material and then I'm cutting. To the back side, I'm now going the back side of the arm. Okay, so that's what I step it out. The whole like this. The whole like this. So that I don't let this pin. I sometimes do this, but only want to move the pin. So you take it. Let go the other way from you. No, I think it's just really good. See how it is? That's how we get it. This is how we get it. And then the back. This is like that. And here, oh, that is. Like this. Like this. How to make oh, you have to understand fashion, but for those of you who can do fashion stuff, you can really understand. You can already see other people doing it. How is this? Now I'm going to put the machine, put right here, and then you're going to put this, and yeah.
Basically, yeah, that's it. That's how you make a pattern for
Now, the collar.
yes.
We're going to the side of the collar here, and as I told you that first of all you have to cut. You have to cut. You have to cut in order for you to put the collar. Then this is the measurement of the collar that I will measure. How is the collar? Then let us go through it. Do the collar. I'm trying now to find the length of the collar. So in order for me to find the length of the collar, I have to place the parts of the top. The parts of the top here like this. Just to find the length of the collar. They like that together. Just anyhow, just for them to face any way. Just like that. Okay. The length of the collar. Okay. And like that. Here. We go half. This is the half of the collar. The half of the collar. That's the half of the collar. Then on the half, I want it to be like 8 centimeters on the length. 8 centimeters on the length. We are just starting on one side now. Collar. That's where we go. Okay. Then we turn it to this side so it can balance well. We just hold it like this. So it can be balanced. All the sides should be the same. So for you to find that, you have to put all the sides together. Happen here. Know what's gonna happen here. Don't show it. That's my collar. That will be on top here. See there. See there. See there. It will be like this, like that. Like that. I want it to look like bit like big, like with a length, you know. I want it to look like with a length. And this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to place it on the material. sure you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe at all. And catch me again next time when I will complete the top to see how it's going to look like. And it's a surprise. I'm not going to tell you what I will wear with it, but I've just said it's a surprise. So ciao ciao my diamond.